Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmades.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I'm so excited to announce my 2018 holiday catalog paper share. You guys have really enjoyed the shares that I have done for the last 3 catalogs, I believe. So of course I wanted to continue to offer them. So I am offering one for the upcoming holiday catalog, which goes live on September the 5th, 2018. So today I want to share with you what's included in the paper share, the price, and how you can go ahead and pre-order your paper share to guarantee that you get one of these. So I really love paper shares. They're such a great way for you to get a sampling of all of the designer series paper included in the catalog at a more affordable price so that you can kind of try things out before you buy them. And a lot of times the pictures in the catalog just don't do the designer papers justice. So sometimes you can't tell if you really like something that's in there. So it's a really, really great way to get to see them up close, feel them, and decide if it's something that you want in a 12 by 12 full package. So I've taken all of the designer series papers included in our upcoming 2018 holiday catalog. They are 12 by 12 sheets, and I have cut them down into 6 by 6 sheets. So I've just done one here as an example so that you can see what will be included in the share. So in the upcoming holiday catalog, there are 7 different designer series paper stacks. So you will get a sampling of all 7 designer series paper, and you actually get 2 6 by 6 sheets of each design in each pack. So that means that you get 12 6 by 6 sheets for each designer series paper stack in the catalog. So that's a total of 84 6 by 6 sheets that will be included in your share. And I'm super excited because I have taken some time to improve my packaging for the share. So I'm super excited about that. I've also added some labeling, and then I'll show you something else that I've added that will go along with the share as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of the designer series paper stacks that you'll receive in your share. So first, this is the All Is Bright designer series paper. So I'll just show you, I'll just show you those really quickly. So these, this stack has a lot of the photorealistic images. Okay, there's another one of those photorealistic ones. And then these cute little ornaments, gold ornaments. Can you see that pattern? Really pretty set. I love this one. Okay, so next we have the Festive Farmhouse. Again, more of a traditional look for the colors featured. That one has some words there on the back. This is a good masculine set too. Then there is Santa's Workshop. This paper is really cool. It has white flocking on it. I've never had designer paper before with flocking. And you also have some embossed layers. I don't know if you'll be able to pick up on that flocking, but I'll show you in a little bit on a different one where you might be able to see it a little better. And you can kind of see the embossing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really cool paper. Let me show you the back. Ooh, I love this. It's one of my favorite Christmas prints. Love it. Okay. And then you've got some more of that flocking here. Can you hear that? Love it. Add some nice texture. And then these snowballs, they have the white flocking and they're embossed. So cool. Some Christmas trees there. And then this one is just the print. No flocking or embossing there or on this one. Fun patterns. Okay, so this one, these white stripes, all of these have the flocking. So just listen. So it's really cool. I like that. Kind of candy cane stripe. Some bows on the back. And then one more. Okay, so this is a really fun one. And that's something that you can't see in the pictures. You can't see that embossing or the flocking. I mean, it tells you in the description, but you don't really get a good picture of it. Then this is the Joyous Noel. This is a beautiful, really elegant set, and this one has a lot of copper foiling, so you can see that. And then just a regular print on the back. More of that copper foiling. Regular print. So you see you get 2 6x6 sheets of each of the patterns. Okay. I love the little reindeer. And those stars are copper foiled. Okay. And then this sheet. Okay. Alrighty. Then we have, this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is the Frosted Floral. This is a specialty paper as well. So I love this. So I can't describe the way that this feels. It doesn't feel like regular paper. I don't know what this material is, and maybe it says it in the catalog and I just didn't notice, but I love it. I love the feel of it. But you can see like the entire piece has this frosted look to it. I don't know how well it comes up in the camera, but oh, it is gorgeous. So I love the look of it. I love the colors, and then just the way that it feels. It's different. I don't know. I really love, oh, you can probably see the kind of frosted look better on here maybe. It's like almost the appearance of being pearlized. It's really cool. Really, really cool. And I just did such a nice job on the colors. I think that this catalog is my favorite as far as designer series paper is concerned. Like, I actually like every single designer series paper stack included. I mean, they did a fabulous job on the papers. They nailed the colors, just everything. I really like it. The prints. Okay, I don't know how well that is picking up. Like, look how pretty that is. I love that. And you've got these pretty little flowers. Ooh, I like this too. You can do a lot with this paper. So it's called Frosted Floral, but it's super neutral. Like, it's not your traditional Christmas print or colors, and it's just versatile. You can use it for so many different occasions. So I love that. Then this is Country Lane. I also love the colors for Country Lane as well. Great combination of colors. So really fun set. I love these little cotton blossoms. So nice. Whoops, forgot to show you the back. And there's some pumpkins. So that's Country Lane. And then last, we have Toil and Trouble. I always love some good Halloween stuff. So got these little witch ladies here. And some little cats on the back. These little sassy cats. I like that. Some ghosts. Love the gorgeous grape. Such a great purple. And then these pumpkins. Man, look at that. Look at the color. Amazing. And then you've got some brooms. Some cauldrons. Spiders and cats and frogs. All sorts of critters. And then, of course, you got to have some polka dots. And then you've got some fun hats. And there are some coordinating framelit dies that will die cut like the witch, the hats, the cauldrons. So that's a lot of fun. And then I think our Batty Punch that's in the catalog punches these little bats out. So I don't know if you guys saw those frogs I was talking. See the little frogs? Cute. I love this. This is a really fun one. They did a great job just using a ton of different images. So you've got a lot to choose from in there. I like that. Okay, so those are all of the designer series papers that will be included in this paper share. And you will also receive this holiday catalog designer paper coordinating colors guide. So this guide will help you, basically it's like a quick reference sheet for you on what colors coordinate with each designer series paper stack. So for instance, here we have All Is Bright, then it says All Is Bright, and it tells you all of the coordinating colors. So for all of the paper stacks, I've got the name of the paper stack, the item number, and then what colors coordinate with it. So this is a handy little guide that you can keep nearby when you're creating and crafting and choosing your designer series paper. That way you can quickly reference what colors coordinate. So I'm excited to offer that in addition with the share. So I think that's going to be really helpful. All right, so you can begin registering to pre-order your paper share starting today, August 29th, 2018. All you have to do is click the registration link that's just below the video in the description notes, complete that short registration form, and within 24 hours, you will receive a PayPal invoice from me to pre-order your paper share. The cost of the share is $33.38. That price includes shipping, so $33.38. You do have to pay your PayPal invoice by September the 4th, 2018, that's next Tuesday, so September the 4th, 2018 by 11:59 p.m., okay? Pre-order ends at that time on that day, and then on September the 5th, 2018, I will be placing the order for all of the paper for everyone who pre-ordered. And you can find a full schedule for this paper share over on today's coordinating blog post. I have linked to that post just below the video in the description notes. So over on that post, you will find the registration link. You will find a full list of all of the designer papers included in the share. So all of the information that I gave you today. You will find the price. Again, it's $33.38. That includes the cost of the paper as well as the shipping. All right, so I hope that you guys are as excited about this paper share as I am. I think that you're gonna really enjoy the designer paper in this catalog. I'm telling you, they are gorgeous. They did a fabulous job. So if you have any questions about the share, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below this video, or you can email me at quitaBugHandmaids@gmail.com and I'll get those questions answered. So thanks again for joining me today, you guys, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Bye now.